Kids are always fantastic. Look at such a lovely beach in between the clouds. Sorry, mountains. ಹೇ ಹಾಯ್ ಹವ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲ ಉన్నారు ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಸೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀ Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Our channel has content related to travel, motor vlogging, lifestyle. I'm right now in Goa. Today is day 2. If you watched the previous video, you know I went to Palolem beach. From there I went to Butterfly beach, Honeymoon beach and dolphin spotting. From there I came to room to rest for a while. Now I am going to Kola beach. I'm going for kayaking for the first time. I'll show you, and there is a secret route to Kola beach which many people don't know. I'll show that as well now. I showed it in the first Goa series as well in 2021, and I'll show this, and I'll show it again as well now because that's the best route you can take. This is Agonda backwaters. The water from this river is coming and joining Arabian Sea. Here on the west side of India, so Arabian Sea, and only sunsets, no sunrise. Kola beach is very near from Agonda. It is just 3 kilometers if you are going through this way. Other way it is around 6.5 kilometers. So earlier it was Kola beach 1 kilometer. It is written. Okay. Last time when we came there were no boards. Now it's fine. Okay, this is no more a secret route then. Last time we came, no boats, no one was there. Now I can see people. I think we have reached. Yes. There are many cars. Last time when we came, if you saw my colabeachgoa 1.0, you know, it was dead empty. Only we were there. No one else was there that day. Now, not scared. Complete off-road, but just for 1 kilometer, you can easily do it. This is the view. People are already taking photos. There are shops, there is good parking, and there is crowd as well, so no need to worry. And the cliff is very beautiful from here. While coming back we'll have something. We have to walk a little from here, maybe 300 meters. Okay, there will be around 200 to 250 steps, and there is a crowd. We have to climb these stairs all the way down. Climbing down is easy, but while coming up it will be difficult. Kola beach is ready. Oh man, see how steep it is. All the way down. Kids are always energetic. Last time my chota, he climbed up and climbed down very easily. Okay, here comes Kola beach, the most beautiful beach in southern part of Goa. Fresh Nariel. Look at such a lovely beach in between the mountains. There is kayaking. The number of people who are doing kayaking, crazy number. Already push ke gaye. Acha. Baat karke chale. Our first time doing kayaking. Let's see how it goes. Manu is sitting in front. I'm sitting in the back. Right side, left side. No one is knowing, all are going left, right, zigzag.
ఏ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు చేస్తాను స్టాప్ చేస్తుంటే?
No one knows how to do it, but we're just doing it. See how people are doing. Our kayaking boat is there. We just parked there and we are making fun. Not easy to pedal with one hand and take video with another hand. Closing time क्या है? 6 बजे. खींचेंगे सामने. We were not there for sunset. See how beautiful the sky is around. These coconut trees are lovely. It's really dark out there. We are using flashlight from my mobile and shooting in my wife's mobile. Everyone has left. Time is 6:30. Look around how dark it is. It was a very beautiful experience. Kayaking is good, but it requires some strength and we didn't know the technique how to move it, like how to maneuver it left and right, so there was some issue in between. We are using flash and going. It's already too dark. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ అవసరం రా మాకు ఇవన్నీ. పిల్లోడిని వదిలేసి వచ్చేసి గమ్మున ఇంట్లో పిల్లోడితో ఆడుకోకుండా అయ్యో కుయ్యో రామా అనుకుంటా.
వెల్కమ్ టు 30s.
Seriously, I can feel. Please do workout at least 40 minutes daily. I'm going to work out after the Goa trip.
I have been telling this for past 1 year.
Too tough, man.
అసలే పోయి
See how scary the road is. Everyone has left. Only few people around. Little off-road, but just 1 kilometer. Goa, when you are in Goa, it will be like that. Okay, time is 9 p.m. We came from Colabeach, relaxed for a while. Not while, it's while. And now we are going to Leopard Valley Pub, the only pub in South Goa which is very famous. I'll go there. There will be too much of noise around and too much of dancing, so I'll not be adding any raw sound from there, only music. And this is just near to Agonda, 4 kilometers from Agonda. I'll leave the Google Maps link below. If you are interested, you can go, because only pub in South Goa. I'm not going to drink anyway, you guys know, so just we're going to see how is the vibe and everything. This is our first experience. I didn't go to pub any day. This is my first pub experience, that too in South Goa. Everyone goes to North Goa for pubs, but I came to South Goa. So this is Leopard Valley. There is a small narrow road. Not sure how far we need to go.
100 meters.
100 meters. Okay. not calm actually. Music is going on and you can see the light. Even my car has some insulation, man. Feels good. Getting ready. Excited. First time pub experience.
Yes.
Without teetotalers going to pub.
Okay, son. Okay, son.
Hi. Good evening. Couple.
1600.
Yeah. Time is 11:56. We thought it's enough. We had good fun. I had too much fun dancing with some foreigners. 1600 was the entry I showed you, but I didn't tell you how much was the entry that time. 1600 for couple and 1000 rupees for stag or single guys. and no complimentary, nothing. Just for entry you need to pay 1600. Then later food, everything is chargeable, and food also you need to pay first and then take the food, whatever, let it be food or drinks or whatever. Even water bottle you need to pay first and then only take. Still people are coming. Time is almost 12 a.m. 11:55. We'll go to home, not home. We'll go to resort, sleep. Morning we have to go to Bangalore. And I think nothing much for the day. We'll end the video here. What do you say? No police checks, nothing. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please press the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. This is me, Rupesh, signing off. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.